Alright, so what we got here is the Audi Q3 2024, brand new. And what we've done is we protected this vehicle with the Ghost 2 system, so no thief will steal this vehicle now. When you get in the vehicle, you do not enter your code. If you try and turn it on, vehicle will not turn on. It's fully immobilized. So you need to enter your code. It's fully customizable, up to 20 buttons. So at the moment it's set to a demo code, so 1 2 3 4. You get 2 flashes from the indicators to let you know the ghost is off. And now you can start the vehicle as normal and drive. So without the ghost, your car is vulnerable to theft, so make sure you get the Ghost 2 fitted. See the link down below for more information to the Ghost 2. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.